my God.
Padre Santo. Ay.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Ahí van las de estas.
Ángela, no.
Where we go? Where? Hey, sorry, God, I'm just trying to carjack someone. Hey! Let me see your hands! Hey! Hey, come back! Let me see your hands! Stop! Hey, are you okay? Very good 215. He's outbound.
Okay, he stalled out. You got a mask on, we're flipping a U-turn, going back on Sage. Sorry, my bad. No, back on Lundy, southbound Lundy, occupied ×1. He's got a mask on. I couldn't really see if there was anybody else in the car, but it looks like he's solo. What about 70 miles an hour? And I got one unit, 5G's Concord X20 behind me. Right turn on Berryessa. I need, where is San Jose PD? Or Milpitas. Okay, blew the red light at Berryessa and, Station. Blew the red light at Sierra Road. Going about 60 miles an hour in that one lane. Traffic is medium. Okay, where's he at now? There he is. Okay, right in the shoulder. Okay, back. We're just passing commercial. Okay, I lost sight of him now. I'm not in pursuit. I lost them. But Bayshore, he took Bayshore? Okay, I got him. He's right coming up over the freeway on Mulberry. Making a right turn on Mulberry Road. And myself and a couple wrong side of the road. Okay, just TC'd with somebody right in front of 880. Suspect is, 2 suspects running. Okay, one suspect, black shirt, all black, handgun, running down Timothy and Mulberry. The other one is in a gray, all gray, with the firearm. Both have firearms.
I'm football, black shirt, wearing a black handgun running down Timothy. There's 2 nails,
He's got a firearm with him. Stand by. 999. Mulberry. Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! He's got a gun with a drum on it. Got a gun with a drum on it. Stay down! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground now. Get on the fucking ground now. Fuckers. Shots fired. Shots fired. One suspect being taken into custody. I'll give you an address in a little bit.
Give me your other arm!
I got one outstanding suspect at the last location I gave you.